Welcome to the 30-second video of Bangkok Unmasked, the YouTube channel that helps you get the most out of your visit to Bangkok City. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to continue the subject of dating Thai women. We're going to look at what you can expect from a Thai girlfriend, i.e. Thai girlfriend advice, and how to make them happy. This video is part 4 of a multi-part series. Let's get started with some Thai girlfriend advice. So you found yourself a good Thai girl. She loves to spend time with you, has a job that's not in a bar, and doesn't need a sponsor. In fact, she goes to great lengths not to take your money. Her family are the same. As time goes on, she's planning a future with you. So how do you know if she really likes you or not? From my experience, it's not by saying I love you every 5 minutes. Far from it, in fact. Overt emotions are not really a Thai thing. After being around my wife's family for the past 12 plus years, I don't think that I've heard any of them telling another family member that they love them. My experience is that if she does say that she loves you, with a shivering voice and a scared facial expression, it's likely a lot more genuine. Unlike Westerners, especially Americans, the Thai are extremely uncomfortable discussing emotions and feelings. If she really likes you, she will, and be both scared and uncomfortable at the same time. Can a Thai woman love a farang? I've heard a number of jaded foreigners say that Thai women can't truly love a farang. Farang is the Thai word for a Caucasian foreigner. This is obviously nonsense. They can, and many do. When my wife told me that she loved me the first time, there were tears in her eyes. She cried even harder when we discussed getting married and I eventually proposed to her. Just be careful that you choose the right girl. As I've warned in previous videos, if you don't, it's highly likely that things won't end well. The right Thai woman wants to be with you, not because of what you have and what you will give her, but because of who you are. So what are Thai girlfriends like? I've been asked by a number of friends and acquaintances, what are Thai girlfriends like? My guess is that they want to know if there are any noticeable differences between Thai girls and Western girls. For what it's worth, my thoughts are as follows. She wants to have fun and be entertained. As I mentioned in part 3 of this video series, she's looking for sanuk. She loves anything and everything that's cute. Think Hello Kitty cute. She loves to eat, especially if the food is sweet. Frankly, I can't eat a lot of Thai foods as they're way too sweet. Don't even get me started on that horrible orange tea with added sugar and condensed milk. Way, way, way too sweet. She loves K-pop, J-pop and Thai pop, of course. She'll have a major crush on at least one boy band member. Even though expressing feelings is not something that she's good at, she loves all kinds of romantic movies and TV shows. She can cook. Most Thai women really know how to cook. She doesn't understand Western feminists. Frankly, this is one of my favourite features of Thai women. She takes care of her body and is very conscious about her weight. She treats you, probably, better than you deserve. So how to make a Thai girl happy in the relationship? I'm going to close this video and this video series with some general thoughts on how to make a Thai girl happy in the relationship. These are not hard and fast rules, merely rules that have worked for me. Number 1, be yourself. Don't try to be someone that you're not in order to impress her. It won't work. Number 2, sometimes it's hard, but try to respect the Thai culture. If you constantly disrespect her culture, the odds of the relationship going anywhere are not good. Honestly, this is one of the best pieces of Thai girlfriend advice that I can give you. Number 3, give her her freedom. One of the key reasons why Thai women like Western men is that they're generally far less controlling than Thai men. Number 4, learn the Thai language. You don't have to be fluent, but learn some basic Thai. Trust me, this is both incredibly useful if you plan to spend time in Thailand, and she will appreciate it. One thing that many foreigners miss is that you can't fully understand the Thai and Thai culture until you speak the language. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that helps answer all your questions about dating Thai women and gives you actionable Thai girlfriend advice. Expect a new video shortly. It should be posted in about a week or so. For all you techies out there, this video is shot on a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and edited using HitFilm Express. Finally, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel through the button below. Also, I'd like to hear from you if I missed any tips for dating Thai women or dating red flags. Please tell me in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.